a quick unboxing because it was my first month in the Artful Angel Copic Club, so I'm curious what I get in my monthly package. I believe you get you get 3 markers and I think a few extras, but we'll see what we get. Anyway, um, so these are $25 a month, just as sort of what our price point is, and we get we get a little stamp from CC Designs. It's a sort of a spring lady. I want to say, to me, it feels kind of 20s, but uh, yeah, pretty cute. Yeah, CC Designs. Fashionistas is the name of this one. It's like a 3x4 stamp set, so that's pretty cool. And then we get our 3 markers. These are all Violet color family markers. So, well, I have this. I don't want to destroy that one because that's got a good stamp on it. Here's just a little piece. This is Nina 100, 10-pound cover weight, classic crest. And let's see what we got. We have our Red Violet 21. Let's see what this looks like. That is the Red Violet 21. You can see as it dries down, it fades a little and sort of self-levels. And then we have Red Violet. I'm guessing these are all probably... Oh, I'm incorrect. This is an EO4, which this would be in the earth tones. And this is the EO4. I can see how these blend well together, though. And then this is a Violet 06. Do love the brush tips on these. They're really nice. Anyway, so this is sort of our color palette. Looks very spring, especially this lighter red violet to me is a very sort of springy pink. So that looks pretty cool. I'm going to be interested to color these up a little bit. I especially like the one here with the polka dots. But I think we'll need to do, maybe we could use the red violet as a skin tone? I don't know. I may need to do something different for some skin and hair, but I think that these violets will be really good for the outfit. Or, I mean, I might just not color that, and then we can, you can always do that. But this is how the colors look, and I'm excited to try this out. It seems like a pretty good value where you're basically getting I wasn't sure what the stamp set was going to be, but if you're always getting sort of like a 3x4 stamp set, um, I would say that's a pretty good value. These markers are about $5 a piece, so give or take. So let's say this is like, $15 to $18 for the value of the markers, and then basically your stamp set is a pretty good value at, less than $10 basically. So I don't know. I'm excited, and it comes with all the benefits of being able to use the Artful Angel group to share products and projects. Wow. Words today are difficult. It's definitely been a Monday. But anyway, excited to see what we create with these, and I may do some coloring of basic shapes just to try out the markers in a little more detail than I did today. Anyway, thanks much. Talk to you guys later.